Unraveling Idioms. The meaning of run scared. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idioms. Idioms are phrases that have a meaning different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words within them. They can be quite challenging for English learners because they don't always make sense literally. One such idiom is, run scared. Stay with us as we unpack the meaning behind this phrase and how to use it in your daily English conversations. To run scared does not mean to physically run while feeling scared. This idiom is actually used to describe a situation where someone is acting out of fear rather than confidence. They may not be physically running away, but they're making decisions or behaving in a way that shows they are anxious or frightened about something, usually a competitor or a challenging situation. The phrase, run scared, is believed to have originated from behavior observed in animals, where a scared animal might literally run away from danger. Over time, this literal running turned into a metaphorical one, applied to humans who exhibit fear through their actions or choices. Let's see how run scared can be used in different contexts. In politics, if a candidate starts making rash decisions because they think they might lose an election, you could say they are running scared. In business, a company might run scared if it drastically drops prices because it fears new competition. Using run scared correctly means understanding its emotional context. It's not used for literal fear in most cases but rather a strategic retreat or change in behavior due to fear. It's often used in competitive scenarios and can be seen as a sign of weakness or lack of confidence. The idiom, run scared, is commonly used in American English and can be found in various aspects of culture, including movies, music, and sports commentary. It taps into the cultural emphasis on courage and confidence, especially in the face of adversity. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, run scared. Idioms like this one add color and depth to the English language, making it vibrant and sometimes challenging to learn. But don't run scared from them. Embrace these expressions, and you'll sound more like a native speaker every day. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting lessons in the future. Happy learning!